Thank you for purchasing Smart Zunpulse doorbell. How to set up your smart camera? Download the Zunpulse app on Play Store or App Store. Log in or register from your phone number. Click on Add Device and select the Smart Doorbell. Open the Reset app. Reset the doorbell by pressing the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds till the prompt sound comes.
System reset.
Now click Next. Enter details of your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and click Next. You will hear a voice prompt.
Your device is now ready to get pairing.
Now we will start scanning the QR code. Place the QR code in front of the camera. Once the device is scanned, you will hear a prompt sound. Or
Pairing information received.
wait for a while. You will again hear a prompt sound
Device connected.
and the device will be connected. Name your smart device and click on Done. The smart device will appear on the home screen. Now you are ready to use the Zunpulse Smart Doorbell.